Welcome in this video, and I'm going to share with you right now a specific technique on how to target your followers and then grab attention from them so that they can see your profile, go into your profile, and then follow you, like your post, etc. So I will show you right now what you can do. First of all, let's say that you want to use this category over here, which is entrepreneurs, or however this is pronounced. And let's see. Let's just go into this category. And what you're looking for is basically photos that don't have many likes. They can have many likes, but the best thing is that you go to photos that don't have many likes. And I will show you what you can do. So, okay, these photos have many likes. Okay, basically these are the most recent, but again, it's fine. You can do something like that. Let me see. Good. That's actually a good account to show you what you want to do, because she does not have many followers and she does not have many likes. So what you want to do is basically double tap. Good. So you like that post and then add a specific comment. You can say nice, like I did over here. Good. And also follow that person. Now I'm doing it from my laptop, but you can do it also from your phone. And what this does is that when you come over here, if you see, there are specific people here that liked my photo. The person said thanks here, etc. So at her account, now I'm going to be seen like a person who liked her photo, commented, and also followed her. So I will be, all over her account basically. And because she does not have many followers, probably she does not have, many likes and comments every day. So in this way, you will grab her attention, and then she will go to your account, like in the specific instance, to my account. We'll see who is that guy, like why, like, okay, he grabbed my attention, and then probably she will follow me. And basically, if you do this specific technique to an account that has like